Often the people around us who have achieved greater success than we have intimidate us. We are judging ourselves using their lenses on life rather than using ours. You don't know their situation. You don't know what they did to succeed. You don't know how hard they worked. As you don't really know anything about their success, it is almost silly to judge your success compared to theirs. Instead, judge your own success based on the goals that you have set. Look internally for motivation rather than externally. Internal motivation is more powerful than any external motivator ever could be. If you've ever attended a motivational speech before, you'll find that for a few days you'll be more motivated. But over time that wears down. The reason is that it is external motivation. External motivation is only temporary, whereas internal motivation is eternal.